From TradetoProspa. Today's Monday, the 30th of January. We've got 2 days for the weekly count, the monthly calendar to close. So if Bitcoin can close on the monthly for a new high, then that's fantastic news. In the meantime, Metis. Metis is one of those coins that people are talking about to go long-term trading. One of those ones that can have big potential, new projects. And it came in, I believe, based on this, it came in the bear market. So it's done its bottom. Looks like an accumulation structure potentially, but it could still go for a while. Really depends on what the alt season looks like, or the Bitcoin season looks like. If we look at the Wyckoff structure, in a sense, so generic one, we could potentially be just looking for upthrust in the phase B section, and then come back down and then see what takes place. So that is one potential model that is likely to happen. This over here could be anywhere, really. Could be anywhere in that range. That's one model. The other model is slightly a fake out, so it goes above and then drops. So if it was to go above, I'll be looking at this level here. However, at the moment, we're stuck there. And when I do my Fibonacci extension, it looks like it's a 618 level. So what is a Fibonacci extension? If I was to add it there, it's pretty much that. And let's just hide that for a sec. So the Fibonacci extension is a 618 level and it's finding its resistance. From a local perspective, it might consolidate here in this pocket to do a reversal or to continue on. So that's one potential model. That's where my 618 is. If I use the fib extension from here to there to the bottom, 618, that's confluence. The other aspect is if I do that as a 1 and that's a 0, it is close to the 786. The other aspect is if that's my reference point to the bottom, it's my 1.272. So at this level seems to have a lot of information that's saying it's good resistance. On top of that, if we look at our AR level here, up thrust usually comes around that area as well. So here's my AR, here's my secondary test, and now up thrust. So this model can potentially come back down and do that, or even come down and then do that. So that's definitely in the cards. All this is in the cards. If Bitcoin is to pull back, then this scenario could play out. And I think a lot of people have bearish thoughts, and this accumulation structure could take a while. Yep, we are still in a range, but now I'll have a better idea of what's going on. So if it comes down here, that is a buy, guys. That is 100% buy because of that. And that's your bottom. Hopefully it gives us that structure, a long-term structure for accumulation, and then bang for the bull market. If, however, this continues on, which I think is very unlikely, but you never know, that is the other option where sometimes this doesn't quite work and it just keeps going. So, but I do feel that this is going to be a shakeout area, topping and then probably back down, and that's where we're going to look for a buy. That is the bearish scenario. That is the realistic scenario. Is Bitcoin going to do a big run to 30, 40K straight up? Don't think so, but we'll see. This week will give us a good indication of what the global markets looking like with the Dixie, the SP 500, inflation, and so on, profit loss statements as well, the likes of Amazon and so on. So it's going to be interesting. And Metis is just one of many that have come to the same similar level of resistance. And then if it's really a bullish market, then we should see these keep going through. I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully you like what you see. Please give me a like and share. Come and join our Telegram group and our Discord if you want Talk to you soon. Cheers.